Well, my dear brother and sister, welcome to my class. Well, today I would like to take a surprisable class. The class name is Breaking Class. After listening the word of breaking, that's not you have to dance like Michael Jackson. I would like to make understand you that what is breaking class. Breaking class mean I'll call two candidates on the stage. After calling, I'll give one topic. While speaking the topic, the other candidate have to select the word. And when she will complete, after completing, she has to also speak about this topic. That topic can be spoken 1 minute, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, either 10 minutes also. So, first of all, I would like to know from you that did you understand this class or not? If yes, then I would like to call the first candidate. Her name is welcome to Mahi. Please put your hands together for Mahi. Hi Mahi.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so Mahi, I would like to know about how many years old you are.
I am 13 years old.
13 years old. Very nice. So, are you feeling comfortable to speak about this class?
Yeah, I'm feeling comfortable.
Did you understand this class?
Yeah, I understood this class.
Okay, so I'm just giving you the topic about brain drain.
Okay. So, brain drain is that where a person study from his own country, then he travels another country for his higher job. So, according to my point of view, in brain drain is not good, because in brain drain people study from his own country, so at the time they should think about their own country and they should grow their own country's economic. Because nowadays, as we know that our country needs more employees and more workers, so at the time they should work for their own country. And nowadays we also know that nowadays students are preparing for government jobs and they are preparing for competitive exams. So there are many candidates.
That's it. And now I think that every candidate understood the class and they selected the words also. So I would like to call the other candidate who will describe about what did she or he select. So I would like to call yes, Khushi. Please come here. Please put your hands together for her. Yes, Mai, please come here. And Khushi also. Yes, first you should take the mic.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, once again I want to tell you that class can be the 30 second when you will describe your theme, 1 minute and anything else. So did you select any word from her?
Yeah, I have selected the word education.
Education, please explain it.
So, as we know that in this era, education is really very important in our life, because if people are educated, then they can also make the nation educated, and by that they can also form a party which includes the educated people. So it will be very helpful for the nation. And if people are educated, then they can solve their problems, they can do whatever they want, and they can also help their family, their nation by financially and so much. And if people are educated, then they can also travel around the world, they can also get the ideas how to develop their country or how to develop their nation in every possible way. And if people are educated,
You.
So I choose a word from her, that is nation. So nation is our country. Like if we are working for a nation, so at the time we will be proud, because many people, they sacrifice their life for their nation and they always do everything for their nation, because there are many candidates are available in this world. Those are hard working for their nation. They are studying very hard to get a proper job, to get independent themselves, because as we know that in this world nowadays the women are also the women are also getting independent by themselves, because as we know that the women are preparing for the women are preparing for government jobs, and they are doing what they want in future, because as we know that the women are very independent, and also they have the best mind.
Okay, I have selected the word that is job. So as we know that job is very important in our life, or we can say that it is needed in for our life, or sustain a life on this earth. Because as there are two types of job in this India. So the first is government job. Many people think that government job is better than private job, but I don't think that is right in every possible way. Yes, it can be right or may be right, and
So I choose the word from her, that is government. So government of a country serves their public, like nowadays India's government is doing many things for the public, like they are serving house facilities, food facilities, and also the poor, and also many poors are available in our country, those need a better facility. So at that time they are also providing money to females, and there many yojanas are available in our country. So the government is serving for the public, like the government is serving for the public as that like Indian education also.
okay, I have selected the word that is public. So for any nation, public is the main currency, we can say that, for any nation, because we are living in a democratic country where the public have to choose their representative or leaders, and if this is not applied in any nation or any country, then that country will be maybe that is ruled by one party. So I think that is ruled by one party, so that is not good. So in India we are living in a democratic country where people have the rights, where people have 6 fundamental rights to choose their and they have the right to choose their representatives or leaders also. They are allowed to choose what religion they want to, and what they have also so many laws, there are so many laws, and there are so many rights. If any public is harassed by any people, then they can also complain to that, they can also file FIR to the police, and there are so many laws and policies are made by the government which help.
So I have selected a word that is party, like as we know that in any happiness situation, and if we are feeling happy, and if we have achieved something in our life, so at the time we arranged a party, like
Okay, what should I say?
I don't know.
Okay, I choose the word that is achievement. So as when we grow or when we enter in our adolescence, we forget all the things whatever we have achieved. We always want to achieve something higher. Whenever we achieve something small, we think that is very small, we should not celebrate it. But I think that's not right. Whenever we achieve anything, we should celebrate it, so we can also increase our confidence level. Because if we have something won in our life, then if we are celebrating with our families, and they also appreciate us, which help us to grow, or achieve even more bigger things than that. And if I talk about confidence, then if we're talking with family,
okay, so I have selected a word that is confidence. Confidence is very important in our life, because as we know that if we are going to give any interview in any private sector, so at the time we need the confidence and self-esteem for representing us in front of the.
okay, I have choose the word that is interview. So interview is the if we want to do, or if we want to get any job in the private company, then we have to give a interview. And I think that interview is between two liars, because whatever the interview is saying or asking, and whatever the person who have asked the question, they are saying whatever they want to, but I don't think that they will do what they had said. And interview is a very important, it also play an important role in our life, because if we are appearing in social life, then we have to talk with other people. Sometimes we lack self-esteem, confidence, and sometimes
So I have selected a word that is private sector. Like in a private sector, the company is owned by an individual, and the individual owns all the company. He provides jobs to many persons, those have given the interview, those has given the exams. So at the time they have studied a lot, because as you know that these types of companies are very useful for the our economic growth, because they represent our country. Because as we know that there are many big companies are available in the world, like electronic companies, makeup companies, and also the fashion designing companies also. Those peoples, those have that type of talents, those like they invest their money, they invest their talent on their jobs.
Okay, I choose the word that is exam. So whenever we grow or whenever we enter in our like study life, in school life, like in KZ or whatever UKZ, exams happen in our every class. We have to go if we have.
Okay, I have selected a word that is school. So school is a very important school is very important in every student life, because as we know that children who spends her or his like 4 hours to 8 hours in school, so at the time like they are
I choose the word that is student. So like student life is.
She has selected only students.
No, she has selected school,
School.
and I have selected student.
Okay, yeah.
So, okay, according to my point of view, like student life is very difficult and entertaining, also the most funniest period of our life, because like in student life we also enjoy many things. We sometimes we get depressed because of the homeworks, because of the assignments, whatever teacher has told us. And in students life, whatever is happening, it's we can also like whatever is happening in our life, we also get something, we also learn something from that. And
It is. So I'd like to know from the both of you, how did you get the new experience after starting this class and after doing this class? May I know from you?
Okay, so during the class, I was feeling a little bit nervous, because I was also a little bit confusing, because it's my first time doing this class, and it is like experience.
Okay, what about you?
yeah, I was a bit nervous and like happy also, because it's first time to appear with this too.
It was a
And I-
little exciting.
Yeah,
No.
and also we get to know how to use the presence of mind suddenly.
Very. Thank you for this.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.